Hi, here we come with a brand new video in which we're gonna discuss how to earn money online without any skills. Before the start of the video, kindly subscribe to our channel for new and interesting updates. You use your talents and knowledge to execute your job, whether you're a lawyer, a doctor, mechanic, construction worker, or even a blogger to get paid. What if, though, you wish to supplement your income without obtaining a formal education? There are, however, a few enjoyable and simple ways to make money online. And the good news is that most of these activities, such as browsing, watching movies, playing games, conducting surveys, and more, are probably already a part of your daily routine. Even some websites offer cashback at stores where you currently purchase. Number 10. Bookscouter. Here's one that's excellent for readers and students alike. You can sell your used books and textbooks on the Bookscouter to the site that will pay you the most. Any book's ISBN can be entered to instantly see a list of the pricing from roughly 40 book buyback websites. Sell your book to the customer who offers the highest payment from the list. Most expensive school-related books and textbooks are only used a few times in a person's lifetime. Why not make a little more cash by selling your textbooks? Number 9. Learn how to enter data. Simple. Entry-level data entry jobs make it simple to launch a career. You may be required to perform a variety of duties as a data entry operator, such as entering a piece of data into a spreadsheet or converting PDF or picture files into Microsoft Word. Data operators have a plethora of career options. Data entry jobs start at a modest pay of $3 to $4 on freelancing websites based on the relative easiness of the job. However, you will find better chances that might pay anywhere from $10 and more as your skills and reputation improve. Number 10. Work as an assistant in customer service. E-commerce and social media are poised to merge in 2020. Two significant phenomena. Over 35% of the Americans have messaged a company about making a purchase, according to a report by Facebook titled "Why Conversation is the Future of Commerce." Buyers are keen to learn more about the businesses they contact before purchasing because e-commerce is expanding at an unprecedented rate, particularly during this lockdown. Accordingly, there is more place for customer query managers who can respond to inquiries quickly and increase sales through superior customer service. Number 7. Obtain employment as a virtual assistant. Are you affable, knowledgeable about technology, and a good communicator? Afterward, find work as a virtual assistant. You can try any of the virtual assistant hiring websites like VirTalent, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, and Freelancer. Data entry, managing your client's schedule, booking travel arrangements, and any other work that your customer needs assistance with might all be included in the job description of a virtual assistant. Understanding that you will be collaborating closely with your client and that you must be able to accommodate his or her schedule is crucial in this situation. Your work schedule will be somewhat less flexible as a result, but on the plus side, VAs receive a more consistent salary. Number 6. Perform translation work. Although I committed to only feature employment that doesn't require any special training, the 20% of the Americans who speak a second language may find translation work to be an excellent possibility. A bilingual person can benefit from the numerous job prospects available to them as a stay-at-home call center operator, a transcriber, or an English teacher for non-native speakers. Number 5. Completing online surveys. Surveys are used by companies, academics, and governmental organizations to better understand their clients and constituencies. This frequently calls for very quick acquisition of the real-time survey results. Sites for surveys can help with that. These websites allow you to sign up as a survey taker and earn anywhere from $1 to $3 per form. Although it may be a quick way to earn money, doing online surveys won't make you rich. Consider this possibility more of a side business that you can run online or in addition to your current work. Number 4. Consider copy trading. Trading in stocks, options, and currencies can be frightening, and for good reason. Understanding the market's ups and downs requires extensive training, reading up on the principles of free markets, and being current with current events. However, there is a safe technique to trade without becoming an expert in the stock market: copy trading. What then is copy trading? The concept of copy trade is straightforward. Use social trading tools to locate the experienced traders whose trades you may mimic rather than selecting your stocks and assets to deposit your investments in. Therefore, if the experts you selected invest 1% of his money in Apple stock, you would similarly invest 1% of your money in that stock. Number 3. Earn money by testing websites. Focus groups are frequently used by web designers to test the functionality of their websites. Website testing may be right for you if you can explore a website and follow straightforward instructions. Number 2. Register with Taskrabbit. If you find it difficult to sit still throughout the workday, you can make money as a Taskrabbit tasker by moving around and getting your hands filthy. After you sign up, people in need can request your assistance and you can choose the chores you want to do. Once the work is complete, invoice the client for your rate plus any necessary expenses. Payments are made using Taskrabbit's secure platform. If you play your cards well, you might even get some tips. Over 50 distinct tasking categories are available for taskers to pick from to make extra money. If you are just starting, you can start with straightforward side jobs like grocery shopping and lawn moving and work your way up to more complex ones. A fantastic choice for a part-time addition to your 9-to-5 is Taskrabbit. Additionally, the higher your profile's rating, the more probable it is that you will find enough work to start paying your bills. Number 1. Starting your YouTube channel. Starting your own YouTube channel is one of the finest ways to promote yourself if you want to make money from your creativity. YouTube is the platform to use if you want to create comedic videos, exercise lessons, or video game walkthroughs. Of course, using YouTube to make money isn't the quickest route. You must increase your subscriber base to demonstrate that you are reaching an engaged audience and to make your channel appealing to potential aid partners. Your particular set of skills will be useful in this situation. You need to figure out a means to command attention in a world where there are millions of channels to choose from. Websites are created by web designers for regular people like you and me, and they aim to make everyone feel at ease when using them. Additionally, with the aid of the sophisticated testing tools, website designers can examine your behavior to determine how to change specific website features to increase the clicks and sales. Therefore, it seems to sense that businesses and designers would pay the intended audience to try out their websites. Everyone has been affected negatively by the COVID-19 pandemic. But now is the perfect opportunity to lift ourselves by our bootstraps, as the saying goes. I beg everyone to use their greatest online earning abilities. Work on 2 to 3 web streams concurrently, if possible, until one of them becomes a reliable source of income. In today's remote economy, making money online not only allows you to regain your livelihood, but also gives you the chance to earn more than you would at the traditional work. Did you like this video? Be sure to submit your answer in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe us.